What's up, guys? Welcome back for another episode. Today we got Noah's 370Z here. It's pretty clean, manual. He has these little short ram intakes with a heat shield, so we're gonna go ahead and replace those today. My boy upgraded to some Stillen. What are these, Gen 3s?
Yeah.
Gen 3 intakes. They look really nice, man. Stillen makes a quality product, hands down. So we're gonna go ahead and set you guys up, take off these intakes, and then go ahead and install the Stillen ones. So yeah, stay tuned. All right, welcome back, guys. So we got the bumper taken off. He had some weird radar detection thing, so that was kind of a pain in the ass. Once we got that off, we got the little short ram intakes and their heat shields off. So now we're gonna move on to installing the intakes and couplers and all that, and yeah, we'll set you guys up so we can get a nice view of the installation. All right, guys, so we took the supplied hose that they have. It's like split already, and you put it right over the AC lines. So we did that first, and now we're gonna go ahead and we remove this little plastic trim and go ahead and cut these out. He does have some wires running through here, so we're gonna have to figure out what to do with that. This car, like I said, had a radar system, and the wires were running right through the little intake duct. So they were spooled up here in the brake fluid thing, so I just slid them out, and we're gonna run them another way. I'm glad that was easy and we didn't have to do anything crazy, because that would have been annoying. So now we're gonna test fit and cut where we have to cut, and then send it from there. What's up, guys? So it is the next morning. Unfortunately, it got a little dark out, and it was kind of a pain in the ass to keep filming. But yeah, they're pretty much all done. Pretty easy install. The only thing that was kind of time consuming was the fact that you have to like Dremel out the hole a little bit and the front, whatever you want to call it, front end pretty much. And yeah, I mean, not a bad install. Definitely better than some intakes that he had before, which were like sitting in the engine bay. Yeah, they had a heat shield, but they still get pretty hot, and I'm not gonna lie, these will probably get a little hot too. But the fact that they are legitimate cold air intakes and they sit in the front, it's gonna be way better than something that's sitting inside of the engine bay. So we're gonna take it around for a little test drive, see how it does, and yeah, we'll update you once we're in the car. Super clean. Sounds good though. guys, well, you guys saw how the install went and how the car drove. Very, very simple install and definitely a quality product. So go ahead and give Noah a follow. I'm gonna insert his Instagram like somewhere around here. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you like the install videos and you want to see more, give us a comment, like, subscribe. Whatever you do, we appreciate it. So thank you guys for watching. Peace.
Well guys, Bo's birthday, little birthday burnout for the gram.